Welcome back, KiraStyle Garden family. Do you ever dream of bringing that relaxing, breezy beach vacation feeling right into your own backyard? Today, we are transforming everyday salvaged beach finds into stunning outdoor decor. Grab your collected shells and driftwood, because we are building the ultimate DIY coastal garden oasis together. Let's dive in. Let's bring a little magic into your garden with these sea glass suncatchers. Imagine finding those perfectly tumbled pieces of frosted glass on the shore and wrapping them gently with craft wire around a weathered piece of driftwood. When you hang these from a tree branch, the bright daytime sun catches every single angle. It instantly fills your serene outdoor space with a dancing array of aqua and lavender reflections, creating a truly peaceful, breezy coastal atmosphere right at home. There is something incredibly grounding about using a sturdy piece of washed-up driftwood as a natural planter. By carefully hollowing out the center of a sun-bleached log, you create a perfect rustic trough. Fill it with rich soil and vibrant, trailing coastal blooms like bright magenta portulaca. Sitting in the middle of your patio table under the warm golden sunlight, this beautiful handcrafted centerpiece brings the raw, natural texture of the shoreline straight into your relaxing cottage garden setting. If you want to frame your blooming flower beds with a distinct maritime feel, salvaged nautical rope is absolutely the way to go. Taking that thick, sun-bleached boat rope and letting it snake gracefully between your vibrant green lawn and the garden beds adds such a clean, structured border. The intricate, intertwined natural fibers look so incredibly textured in the daylight. It is a brilliant, effortless way to separate your landscape zones while celebrating that authentic, salty seaside charm. Have you ever thought about transforming a tangled fishing net into a stunning macrame hanging basket? It is such a creative way to repurpose ocean debris. You simply knot the weathered blue netting into a cradle and nestle a massive, beautifully ridged white clam shell right at the base. Plant some exotic air plants or thick moss inside, and let it sway gently in the daytime breeze. It looks absolutely mesmerizing, hanging elegantly above your lush green backyard. To add a cheerful burst of personality to your green spaces, you have to try mounting painted salvaged buoys on weathered wooden stakes. Taking those antique teardrop-shaped foam buoys and giving them a fresh coat of marine blue, crisp white, and coral pink paint creates such a delightful focal point. Nestled right among the tall, swaying ornamental grasses in the bright sunshine, these vibrant accents proudly show off their seaside history while brightening up your entire backyard sanctuary. For a clean and undeniably coastal aesthetic, swap out your traditional wood chips for crushed oyster shell mulch. When you delicately spread these pearlescent shells around the base of your blooming flora, the magic really happens. The mixture of chalky white, soft gray, and subtle purple hues reflects the bright daytime sunlight so beautifully. Not only does it look incredibly pristine against the lush green stems, but it also helps keep the soil perfectly cool on a warm afternoon. You can easily transform a plain architectural wall or simple fence by draping a spectacular driftwood garland across it. By stringing together highly textured, uniquely shaped pieces of pale, sun-dried driftwood with some rugged salvaged ship rope, you create a stunning natural statement piece. Every single piece of wood has these deep, organic crevices and smooth edges from the ocean waves. Basking in the golden hour sunlight, it adds immense coastal character and charm to your relaxing outdoor retreat. Nothing says beach-inspired living quite like a magnificent, large pink conch shell repurposed as a gorgeous natural plant vessel. The brilliant gradient of pale peach and creamy white on the glossy interior contrasts perfectly with the rough exterior. When you plant vibrant, bright green creeping jenny vines inside and let them luxuriously cascade out of the wide opening, it creates a breathtaking display. Tucked into your landscape, it becomes a beautiful, organic piece of art under the bright sky. Bring a touch of whimsical ocean magic to your patio with these floating sea urchin shell displays. By suspending fragile pastel-colored urchin shells with invisible fishing line, you create an enchanting illusion. When you tuck curly alien-like pale green air plants into the bottom openings, they instantly transform into tiny jellyfish, seemingly swimming through the warm garden air. Dangling elegantly in the bright sunny afternoon, they provide a delightful, unexpected visual treat that everyone will absolutely fall in love with. Welcome your guests with a warm, inviting seagrass and driftwood wreath hanging perfectly on your garden gate. Masterfully weaving thick bundles of golden brown coastal seagrass and intricately layering them with tiny bleached twigs and scattered pastel seashells creates a breathtaking, textural masterpiece. The natural fibers and authentic beach finds capture the very essence of a breezy coastal day. Basking in the bright sunshine, this sturdy statement piece sets a serene, luxurious tone before you even step into the yard. Replace your standard gutter downspout with a fascinating, handmade clam shell rain chain. By taking perfectly uniform, chalky white clam shells and securely stringing them along a durable silver wire, you create a spectacular kinetic sculpture. In the bright daylight, it looks incredibly elegant, cascading vertically downward. As the wind gently catches the shells, they clink together to provide a soothing, nautical visual and acoustic experience that perfectly complements your peaceful, pristine cottage garden and lush green lawn. From sun-bleached driftwood planters to beautiful sea glass suncatchers, bringing the beach to your backyard is truly that simple. I hope these upcycled coastal garden ideas inspire you to get creative after your next shoreline stroll. If you love these DIY projects, please hit that like button, subscribe to KiraStyle Garden, and comment down below with your favorite beach find. See you next time.